things. I would like to say many people have a connection with our name, Enemy of the Sun, with a very, very negative connection. And for me, it means more like a deeper world of saying of darkness. You know, also the logo that we use, which is the sun with the skull, is something that's supposed to show you the symbol of life, which is the sun, and the symbol of death, which is the skull, and they both work together in this one symbol. So both are part of our existence, either life or either dead. We can call life something positive and death negative, but we have to go through both of it. So we have to learn how to go through this thing. So not everything is negative, what we call negative, you know?
Okay. All right. Now, I'm not sure if you own your own studio, but, I mean, from what I understand, you guys probably won't leave a studio until you're 100% satisfied with the recording that you're trying to, you know, finish up.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to... Go ahead.
Yeah. First, I not enter the studio when we're not 100% done with songwriting, with everything. Maybe I always leave some percentage, like maybe 10%, because I always like to be also creative in the studio, in the recording process. Many times when you record, you have a different atmosphere than when you're, for example, in a practice room. And sometimes while this atmosphere, some new and very fresh ideas come to you, and they change maybe a song in a very positive way. So I always leave like some percentage. Okay, we leave this up to the studio, and we're going to make in the studio like the final process of it. But usually about 80 till 90%, every song is very prepared, and we work on this very hard in the front. So I don't want to go to studio and spend there useless like 3 weeks of just sitting and maybe like, oh, maybe this song, maybe this song. Like we enter the studio from this point on, we're sure what we want to do. So each row is set up, everybody knows what to do, and everybody knows how to play this. The studio we're recording, the Woodhouse studio, is a studio that I work a lot, but I'm not the owner of the studio. So even I have to pay for the studio, and we not have an unlimited time. But it's important to not save money on the wrong process. So that means when you know that you still have maybe 2 or 3 more days to have a better result, it's more important for me to spend this bit more money on these few days, but on the end, you leave the studio with 100% satisfaction. Either you just say like, okay, no, let's finish. That is also okay. I don't like to finish something to say okay. Only in this point that you really can tell yourself, right now, at this point, we can't do this better. We can maybe do it different. There's always a way of do something different, but not better. And I think that is very, very important to have this inner satisfaction that you go home and you, whatever somebody from outside tells you, then you know by yourself, like we did something that nobody can take us away. This is something that is a really big and deep part of us, and we really like what we did. And this is much more important for me than anything around.
Okay. This will be the last question. For 2008, where do you see the future with this band? And it also sounds like you expect that there will be quite a slow build of momentum with you guys. Is that a true statement?
Well,
Go ahead.
Yeah, I don't think so that it's just a short part. I think we are just at the beginning. Like this what you listen to right now is the very first record, and I think it doesn't matter how long you're making music. Listen to many people. They've been around for maybe even longer than I did, and you will find out that not always everything those people bring out on the record is gold. So I think the most important is this criticizing yourself, never losing this passion about music, because this is what music is all about for me. And when people see music or start to see music just as a business, then of course they're getting very, very quickly lost. And because we have the passion in us, so I think this is just a beginning, and I hope we're talking here about the never-ending story.
Okay, well that's pretty well it for me, man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot for your time.
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye.
Talk to you later. Bye.